Did you know that you can now offer your customers, patients, or clients a no credit needed payment plan, allowing them 3, 6, or even up to 12 months to pay for your product or service while your business gets fully funded for 100% of the transaction? Introducing Chex. We help community business owners maximize untapped opportunity, protect profits, and increase revenue. A recent CNN Money article quotes the National Foundation for Credit Counseling as saying 64% of Americans don't have enough cash on hand to handle a $1,000 emergency expense. Of those consumers who even have savings, only 36% said they would tap their rainy day funds for an emergency purchase. In today's economy, as high as 6 out of every 10 consumers who apply for financing to pay for your products and services are being declined by the major consumer finance companies. It's harder now than ever before to qualify for a relatively small short-term loan. And for the few consumers who do get approved, some finance companies don't fully fund the business. They might keep a significant portion of the transaction proceeds, forcing you to take less for the product or services you already provided to the consumer. Many business owners and medical service providers are seeing potential customers and patients who want to buy a product or need a service walk out of their business. Without having a viable alternate funding solution, the customer can't get the money they need to complete the transaction when they want it or when they need it. You've now lost a sale and the customer left without getting their needs met. This is a lose-lose deal. As a business owner, you may be tempted to try to save the business by dropping your price or by carrying the balance yourself, creating an accounts receivables or a collections nightmare. Carrying a big account balance does not help your business, and sending your customers to collections certainly does not foster good relations or long-term customer retention. Think about this. How many people need the service you provide or the product you sell and don't even come into your business because they don't have sufficient funds or available credit to make a purchase? How many times per month do you have customers leave your business after getting a quote or hearing the price? How many customers do you turn away each month because their credit was not approved? How many additional customers would you be able to sell, upsell, or cross-sell if you could offer no credit needed financing? Do you currently have customers, clients, or patients that are over 30 days on your accounts receivables list? If these questions identify a problem within your business, we might have the right solution. Chex provides retail and service-related businesses with non-traditional funding methods that will benefit both the business and the consumer. This special financing plan is called Retail Payday. The Retail Payday plan enables your business to extend terms of 3, 6, or 12 months on amounts from just a few hundred all the way up to $5,000 for nearly all products and services with no hard credit check. Approval takes less than 10 minutes, and the business gets 100% fully funded within 48 to 72 hours with no recourse. Let's take a look at all the businesses that currently use the Retail Payday plan, including medical service providers such as dental offices, holistic care, plastic surgery, mental health care, home health care, optometry and ophthalmology, hearing aids, veterinary clinics and animal hospitals, legal and professional services including civil and criminal defense, and CPAs, automotive, motorcycle, RV, boat, and watercraft dealers for their sales, service, and parts departments, repair and body shops, tire, wheel, and brake shops, home improvements, landscaping, interior design, painting contractors, plumbers and electricians, handyman, furniture stores, appliance stores, hot tub dealers. We even work with computer sales and repair, tattoo parlors, sporting goods and home fitness equipment, musical instruments, bridal shops, and believe it or not, even funeral homes. The Retail Payday Plan is perfect for that 60 to 70% of the American public with no credit, bruised credit, or whose credit is simply maxed out and needs additional funding now. This special funding plan is not intended to replace or to compete with your existing traditional finance plans. Flex Chex is a perfect alternative for those individuals that will not qualify for regular financing. All that's needed from the customer to get started is a valid ID, an income source, and a checking account that's in good standing. Our funding company approves an average of 70% of all applications despite past and most current credit problems. First, contact your Flex Chex representative to get all of the details to determine if this program is suitable for your business. Then enroll with Flex Chex to be an authorized merchant for the Retail Payday Plan. Once your enrollment is completed, we'll install a special terminal in your business that will allow you to process retail payday loans in about 5 minutes. And best of all, you'll get fully funded 100% for your transaction in 3 days or less. You can immediately start improving the cash flow in your business by using Flex Chex Retail Payday Plan. To start using the program, you have to let your customers know that it's available. So advertise that you offer in-house financing terms, and we'll provide you with a 3x6 foot building banner, tabletop and counter signs and stickers, and several other methods to help you successfully promote this new program inside of your business. Give your customers the thumbs up. When your customers use the Flex Chex Retail Payday Funding Plan, they'll be able to take advantage of the products or service you provide them immediately. With this level of satisfaction, they'll be more likely to become repeat customers and to refer your business. Let's do a quick final review. The Flex Chex Retail Payday Plan will help you access a huge untapped market. Using the plan will help reduce any dependence on discount selling. It will mitigate your accounts receivables and collections problems. It will increase your store or business traffic. It will create upselling opportunities. It will increase customer retention and loyalty to your business. And finally, Flex Chex will provide you with more time, more money, and less stress. But most importantly, increase cash flow from lost sales. Thank you very much for taking a few minutes to watch this video. For more detailed information about the Retail Payday Plan, please contact the Flex Chex representative that shared this video with you, or give us a call today.